So now let's start cooking because I don't know what happened to my phone. The thing just, I think I need to buy another is it SD chips to put in the phone because of too much. So this is it now. It's cooking. So while it's cooking, I'm gonna tip in this or bang in this. My runner beans I chopped and my leek I chopped. You can just put only ginger, garlic, your meat, prawns or seafood. You don't need to put these other vegetables I put, but I just fancy putting leek in the rice. So just put a little bit of veggies you prefer, but be careful so that it doesn't overpower that ginger inside, okay? And you see it? So let's cover it to simmer for a bit, for a little bit, a little bit. Then we'll start now tipping in the rice. So thank you for all your lovely comment, guys. Thank you so much for the love you guys are showing me. All my friends from Singapore, Philippines, Japan, Qatar, Dubai, in fact, all over the whole world. The love you guys are showing me. I never knew like this. You meet nice people on the internet or on YouTube. I never done it before, but I just started it as, as fun, as just hobby. But, then now I'm like meeting, oh my God, real people, genuine friends I've met, honestly speaking, guys. I've met good friends. They are so nice. They are so cooperative. They are so nice there. They are so genuine people. Genuine people. I didn't know before. Anytime like doing things on YouTube, I'm always very, very careful and very sensitive. But there are genuine people, honestly speaking. There are still genuine people in this life that we are. Genuine. I never knew before, The rice, I didn't know. I think that first bit I put in was anyway. This can be eaten couple of days, today, tomorrow. So I don't have to cook tomorrow. I'll be on the internet browsing, looking for bananas. So if you want to really enjoy this ginger rice, you have to get fresh ginger. That is when you will really enjoy the ginger rice. You see the way I chop it up? So when you are eating it, make sure you parboil your rice first. You can use prawns, only prawns. You can use chicken prawns and beef, lamb, any meat. Or any combination of seafood you can combine. Okay, guys? You don't have to glue into my own method. As long as there's plenty ginger, there is all ginger rice, okay? Can you see the ginger? Can you see the yellow stuff in there? Look. But you have to chop that ginger like that so that you get the ginger taste. You'll be biting the ginger in your rice, okay? Okay, guys. Ginger is a very good cooking herb. Very, very good. You kick out all the pains in your joints. You can make ginger tea, ginger stew, ginger soup. Chop it up, boil it and drink with honey. A little bit of honey. I'll leave it that chili and see how I go. Because I like chili. The man eats chili as well, so he doesn't bother. But not too hot. You know who I mean? The man, that is the man in the house. See, I'm breaking the chili. You can use green chili if you want. I don't want to use powdered chili so that it doesn't change the color of the rice, so you won't see the ginger. See? Oh, this is beautiful. This is gorgeous, man. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Because I love cooking, so I don't mind. Cooking is my passion. You see, everybody got talent. Like, I never have interest in sewing or be a fashion designer. I have passion in hairdressing, where I used to have a salon where I can fix hair, plait your hair, cut your hair, dye your hair, trim your hair, put weave on. I can do that. And I love cooking. You see the ginger? You see how beautiful it is? Bam, 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 bam. So guys, keep subscribing. Go down below the Konko bell and poke the red bell. Hit it very hard so that I can hear it from here that you have subscribed. Another problem I'm having with my own YouTube is that if you say you subscribe to me, I will get an email from Gmail that somebody subscribed. The Gmail will send me, you make a comment. You will go straight to my subscription list that you have subscribed. Some people will subscribe to me. I will see the comment they make, but I won't see that they subscribe. I won't see them on my channel list. Then that is problem with me and YouTube. YouTube will not accept it. So that is why you need to go and redo it again and watch my video properly and make comments related to that video that you have watched. You see, a lot of people will say they subscribe to me. Yes, I saw your comment, only your comment. I didn't see you subscribe. I didn't see you automatically on my channel list. Some people subscribe. I get an email that they subscribe and they go straight to my subscribers list, meaning they have subscribed. You see? So that is why I'm very, very careful. Okay, guys, keep subscribing. And take care and remain blessed. And bye. Love you guys. Love you lots. Love you, love you, love you guys. Thank you so much. Salamat. Salamat. All the pose, all the sis in the house. Salamat. Yeah.